My name is G. Krishnaveni from 2nd MSS. I want to tell about groups. Definition of group. Let G be a non-empty set with a binary operation star defined on it. Then G and star is called a group of group. When you are saying that is group, that is we can satisfy three properties, then we can say that is group. Now we say what are the types, what are the properties. There are three properties, that they are associativity property, identity property and inverse property. Now we discuss about associative property. The operation star is associative, that is a star of b star c equal to a star b star of c for all a and b c belongs to z. For example, 1 into of 2 into 3 equal to 1 into 2 of into 3. In left side, 1 into of 2 into 3, that is 2 into 3 6, 1 into 6 6. In equal to in right side, 1 into 2 of into 3, 1 into 2 2, and 2 into 3 6. Then we can say here we can say left side and right side equal 6 and 6. Then we in this way we can say that is associative property. It satisfies associative property. And second we discuss identity. What is identity? Now I will discuss. There exists an element E in G such that A star E equal to E star A equal to A for all A belongs to Z. E is called the identity in Z. E is called the identity in Z. For example, 12 plus 0 equal to 12 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 12 equal to 12. Here we satisfy the identity property. Then third one we can discuss inverse property. For each element A in Z, there exists an element A inverse in Z such that A into A inverse equal to A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to E. A inverse is the inverse, A dash is the inverse of E. For example, minus 1 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 1 equal to minus 1. Here we can we are satisfy here we will satisfy inverse property. Then we are saying three properties are satisfied. That's why we can say that is a group. Yes. A non-empty set satisfy three conditions, then we can say group. Thank you for giving this opportunity.